This is a demonstration that will show you how we can write a Java applet program using NetBeans. So first we open the NetBeans. It's going to take a while. Be patient. Okay. File, new project. Under the categories heading, choose Java and make it sure that under the projects heading you choose Java class library. Right. Click on next. This is going to be the project name, whatever you want to have it. Suppose I name it as my first Java app. As you know, project location is the location where you want to store your project. And click on finish. Okay, now this is my first Java app, the name of the project. Right click it, go to new, then click on applet as we are going to write an applet. The class name, whatever class name you want to have. Suppose you want to have the class name as my first applet. Okay, click on finish. Right, here we go. We are going to import some other packages also, like java.awt.star, and as we are going for event handling also, we would be required to import the package java.awt.event.star. awt event.star. Okay, now for declaration button bt1. See guys, I am going to have three buttons. If I click on one particular button, it's going to draw a line. The second button, if I click on the second button, it's going to draw a rectangle, and the third button will be used to draw an oval. And your type is equal, here we go, we have declared another variable called type, data type of which is int. I have assigned it the value -1. See, this tutorial is meant for the students who already know about Java applets. We are just going to have a glimpse what are the steps to write a Java applet program in NetBeans and how to execute it. I'm not going to explain each and every step that I'm going to, because I am already assuming that you know how to write Java applets. So it's going to be, as you know, we are instantiating the objects for button class. So I have declared three objects. As you know, this is for registration of the event, and we will have to do it for all the three buttons. As you know very well, set from foreground, using this method set foreground, we are assigning the foreground color to all the three buttons. As you already know, add is the method which is necessary for the AWT controls to be displayed in the applet window. We must implement the interface action listener. Only then we will be able to handle the button events. So the method associated with action listener is, as you already know, it is public void action performed. And as you know, it should have, as a formal parameter, it should have a reference variable of action event class. So what I am going to do right now is I'm going to use the method get source. Get source. Now see, what get source is supposed to do is it will return the reference of the command button that was clicked by the user. Repaint is used to re-invoke the method paint. sorry, it's going to be draw rect. This is the method which is used to draw rectangle. All the arguments being supplied by me for drawing rectangle, line, and draw and oval, they can be set by you as per your requirement. So guys, that's it. Here we go. Now we will learn how to execute this program. Okay. The shortcut to run any Java applet program using NetBeans is Shift F6, or you can simply go to your applet name, which happens to be my first applet.java, right click and go to run file. You can clearly see there is a shortcut key mentioned, Shift plus F6 also. Okay, here we go. Processing is taking place. Yeah, that's it. Click on line, line is going to be drawn. Click on rectangle, rectangle is being shown. Click on oval and you will see the oval, right? Thank you guys.